Hi guys, today we have gathered here to talk about.
We'll talk about philosophy and some of the coolest thought experiments known in philosophy.
चलो बताओ तुम्हें knowledge इस बारे में तो. So you start.
Well, philosophy, the literal word means love for wisdom.
Hmm.
So, uh, throughout the years,
Hmm.
uh, under different fields like metaphysics,
Ah.
epistemology, different people have given different thought experiments, basically to prove a point. But they end up being very fun to think about.
Mostly they test your morals and ethics, right?
It depends. Like if it's about
Ah.
something else, it is something else. But the thing is that they force you to think,
चलो ठीक
which
है.
is a very lost art. So let's talk about the superstar of thought experiments, the trolley problem.
I know this.
This is the first one.
I think इसी पे पूरी वीडियो बन सकती है भाई.
इसमें पूरी वीडियो
इतनी
बन सकती है.
variations है.
Yeah, but there are a lot more interesting ones.
ठीक
So
है.
which are very less known. So that's why I wanted to talk about this topic in particular.
चलो let's start talking about this, and if it take a lot of time, we will just make it
Okay.
about this only.
A runway trolley is heading towards 5 people tied to a track.
ठीक है.
You can pull a lever, diverting it to another track with only one person.
Hmm.
Do you pull the lever?
I personally won't.
Won't.
Hmm.
Okay. Why?
The
That's
thing, again, that's the main whole point. So most the point of this is, which I think a lot of people think, is कि अगर हम लीवर खींच देंगे तो वी आर मिनिमाइजिंग लाइफ.
Yeah.
5 लोग की जगह एक बंदा मरेगा. ठीक है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉर मी लाइफ इज नॉट क्वांटिफाइबल लाइक दैट.
Okay.
है ना. वन लाइफ इज नॉट ऑलवेज इक्वल टू 5
Yeah.
और लेस देन 5. है ना. अगर एक जगह आप
Yeah.
भगत सिंह रख दो और अब बाकी 5 को नॉर्मल बंदे रखो तो इट्स नॉट इक्वल.
Yeah.
या गुरु गोबिंद सिंह या बुद्धा या कोई भी, मतलब
Exactly.
कृष्ण राम कुछ भी रख दो.
Yeah.
So life is not equal, first of
Yeah.
all. That's my first assumption. Second is, I don't want to be.
अगर तुम इन्वॉल्व हो जाओगे उस चीज में तो इट वुड बी लाइक
So I took a decision.
Yeah, you took a decision.
So I don't want to take a decision for
You
someone
don't
like.
think it's a place to take the decision for someone.
I don't.
So when we talk about the trolley problem, it's basically a classic case of utilitarianism versus deontology. Utilitarianism basically is a framework that you could minimize harm in some way. Deontology works on a set of moral framework. Like, okay, this is good, this is bad.
This is bad.
So if this is bad, so if we define killing as bad, then pulling the lever is bad, even if it minimizes harm.
वही सोल्जर वाला ना.
Exactly.
या सोल्जर किलिंग, मतलब अगर कोई टेररिस्ट मार रहा है तो वो तुम चीयर करते हो, या तुम्हारा सुपर हीरो किसी को मारता है तुम चीयर करते हो. बट
Life is a life.
अगर उल्टा होगा तो तुम फिर मौन करोगे.
So if you're in a utilitarian world, like you can extend the utilitarian definition to argue that they will cause harm in the future. But that, like, yeah, I guess, but like that will still change things. Yeah, but in generally most people won't do anything. Firstly, the paralysis of fear, because you have to be involved or not involved. So it's the question is tricky because it is technically two decisions you have to make. First, to getting involved or not, and second, if you get involved, to pull it or not. So that's it. If we modify this question, which is another very interesting problem extension of this, it was given by J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson only. It was basically the fat man problem.
J. Thomson, electron wala?
No. This is Judith Thomson. She was a very famous philosopher.
Achha.
So this one, which came about the fat man problem, is basically similar to trolley problem. There is a train heading towards a track. 5 people are on it. You can, but instead of diverting it, you're standing on a bridge. And you have a comically large fat man with you. If you push him off, the train will
stop.
The train will hit him and it will stop. But that fat man will die. So do you do it?
Obviously not.
Obviously not, because even the people who said they will pull the lever will not say yes to this.
Yes.
Because it is, the involvement is more, I don't know, like, because somehow it is they're more responsible.
So this is a little relevant, talking about like the vegans use argument.
Yeah, exactly.
You won't kill an animal with your hand, but you will eat the meat in the table.
Yeah.
So वही है ना कि मतलब you'll pull the lever, but you won't basically push a fat man, because आप directly आप कुछ कर रहे हो, वहाँ indirect हो रहा है.
That I sort of agree with that, but I also disagree with that because that argument throws a lot of things out. Like, I won't make my own clothes.
No, but
Like,
the thing is,
if you're talking just about the effort, or you're talking about the
not the guilt, but not that even, like, people won't eat dogs.
Yeah.
People won't eat cats.
Yeah.
So that also comes from there only, na? Ki matlab where the thing become real.
Yeah.
Like, because the thing is, वो track में है ना? Like we talk about यहाँ पे से अभी war situation हुई. They were like war करो. They don't know what is happening.
Yeah.
जो लोग they were living near that border, the people who were seeing dying, they were like नहीं रोको. तो ये sentiment में difference क्यों है? Because thing is happening far away.
Exactly.
तो जितना आपके पास होता है और जितना वो रियल होना लगता है, तो that's why people eat chicken but don't eat cat and dogs, because वो उनके खुद के pets, because वो जब they have seen their dog feel या their cat feel, so they can animate it. So वो उनके लिए that's why. तो ये वही argument है कि जितना आप उससे distance रहते हो, it's easier to make an decision based on pure बुक एथिक. बट जहाँ पे आपका कन्फ्रंट्रेशन रिक्वायर्ड है, जहाँ पे आपको उसको एनिमेट करना पड़ता है उस चीज को, देन इट बिकम रियल. सो वहां पे फिर इमोशंस और कॉन्टेक्स्ट और ये सब चीजें आती हैं. देन इट्स जस्ट नॉट अ थॉट एक्सपेरिमेंट, एंड इट्स अ रियल थिंग व्हिच इज हैपनिंग टू यू.
Well, moving on from the trolley problem, we can talk about another very famous thought experiment by Robert Nozick. It's called the experience machine.
ठीक है.
Okay, it is sort of it was an episode of Rick and Morty also.
उसमें सब कुछ है बट
So basically, if there is a machine and I can hook you up to the machine and you can experience anything.
Matrix.
Yeah, sort of like that. You will feel happiness forever. But it's all fake. It's all in your head. Would you plug yourself in?
I won't.
You won't. But do you think someone will?
Not people.
Why?
कि मैट्रिक्स मूवी में तो था.
No, but no. So that's a different variation of a question. Wait. Just answer this in the current world. Not Matrix में था या उन्हें. अभी किसी ने experience machine बनाई. Why do you think someone would hook themselves up to that machine?
Because the thing is, they won't know it's real or not. ना, it's real or fake.
नहीं, उनको घुसते समय तो पता है ना.
But घुसने के बाद नहीं पता ना.
Not really. Like मतलब you can know. Like let's say you can know.
तो फिर I don't think people will do. But my assumption was कि when you go inside, you don't know. It's like a dream.
You can do that.
क्योंकि dream में क्या होता है कि dream में mostly you don't know कि you're in a dream.
That's just like another variation of question. Like because the other variant of this question is saying that it's like the Matrix. Like let's say someone you get to know you're in the experience machine. Will you go out?
नहीं, ये लोग people नहीं करेंगे. This is not because यहाँ पे attachment आता है.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे वो चीज है.
Very interesting. There is a new indie game called Expedition 33 that came out. And spoiler alert for people, the whole game is it's a magical world. So it's the whole game when you defeat the everything and end the game, it is happening inside some other magical place. So it's your decision to destroy it or stay in it.
वो बैटरी वाला एपिसोड है ना मैं रिक एंड मॉर्टी का, कि बैटरी में एक वर्ल्ड होता है, फिर वो एक बैटरी होता है, उसमें एक वर्ल्ड होता है,
kind of like that.
And the chain universe.
So it's how does the awareness affect it? So that's why it's an interesting thought. Do you want to talk about another one?
I think we have time for one more.
Yeah. Oh, this is a controversial one. Let's talk about the violinist argument.
ठीक है.
Again, Dr. J.J. Thompson. She was very pro rights, pro choice.
Okay.
So what she does is she constructs the argument in a certain way, and she says, let's say you wake up surgically connected to a famous unconscious violinist. If you unplug him, he dies. You were kidnapped for this. But they're saying if you just stay for 9 months, he'll stay alive. And he's like an asset to the world. Must you stay connected?
मतलब बेसिकली है कि आपको फोर्सफुली विदाउट कंसेंट किसी से अटैच कर दिया एंड आपको बोला है कि उसकी जान बचाने के लिए आपको कनेक्ट रहना पड़ेगा.
There are variants to this, but let's talk about this first.
हाँ, मतलब आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इट. तो उससे कनेक्ट रहना पड़ेगा. सो नाउ यू हैव टू मेक अ चॉइस. You are connected. So you have to disconnect it from it.
You have to take the action to disconnect it.
अगर कनेक्ट होने की चॉइस होती तो I would have said no.
That's a separate question. That's a totally different thing. Right? Not different.
It's a tough one.
Yeah.
I mean, she doesn't have to
Hmm.
because it's her. Obviously,
That is the
it's
point.
her choice.
It's not her. It can be him also. This argument is
It's
ridiculous.
their choice
Yeah.
basically. It's the person's choice because it's their body and they can do whatever they want to,
Yeah.
and they are not responsible for the consequence.
Okay, but if we can establish that, okay, they have the right to remove them because that's what I think any sane person would say. The tricky part becomes when you extend this question and say that person first agreed to have the violinist hooked up. Okay, but then later they, let's say, suffered health complications or they were sort of aggrieved by it, and then they decide to disconnect. Like, do they have the choice to disconnect or not?
They should.
They should what? Have the choice to disconnect.
Yeah,
exactly.
because the thing is, अगर उनकी लाइफ मतलब consent is not always ना,
Yeah.
तो उनको ठीक है, they agreed, but now अगर उनको health complication आ रहा है
Yeah.
and survival के लिए उनके the question on their survival is obviously they have a right to. They have right to whatever they want. You can jump off a building.
Yeah.
So it's your body, your choice.
Yeah. So I guess we talked about only the ethical arguments today. That's a good place to stop.
Cool. So yeah, let me know what was your favorite one, and if you have any more, we can discuss it in the next episode. Cool.